Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome again to the Beauty Blaster. I hope you all doing well. So we are going to show you most beautiful and very low maintenance haircuts, hairstyles for 40 plus women. If you are a new subscriber, a new viewer of my channel, then please do subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon. Then you will get the latest videos notifications timely, and like the video and do share this video with your friends and family. All haircuts, hairstyles are very low maintenance and easy to carry in every season, in every occasion, and so comfortable. I hope you like the video and give us your feedback, your precious feedback in comment section. Also give your uh, suggestion that what you want to in next videos. So viewers, stay tuned and do visit our channel, and you will get all categories of hairstyles like bob cut, pixie bob cut, layer cut, and wavy haircut, short bob, medium length bob cut, hair dye shades, hair dye colors. You will definitely enjoy these videos in our channel. So viewers, give us your precious feedback, which is very important for us. Thanks for watching. All designs, all styles are very comfortable, very low maintenance, and very attractive. Watch the video till the end. And where you are watching, tell us in comment section what is your country. Thank you for watching Beauty Blaster. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon